Hey there, jet setters, red-eye veterans, and economy class warriors. Before we take off into these genius seat pocket hacks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another flight-saving tip. Because let's be honest, airplane seat pockets are basically the junk drawer of the sky, a mysterious zone filled with crumbs, crumpled tissues, and the occasional surprise sticky note from a previous passenger. But hidden inside that germy abyss is a ton of untapped potential. Most travelers treat it like a dumping ground, water bottles, snack wrappers, half-read magazines. But with a little creativity, that same pocket can become your in-flight control center, a spot for your phone, wipes, snacks, and sanity. Whether you're on a short hop to Chicago or a 12-hour haul to Tokyo, these clever tricks can make even the tightest economy seat feel like your personal command deck. We'll cover hacks that keep things cleaner, smarter, and way more comfortable, all backed by real traveler experience and airline-approved common sense. From turning the pocket into a mini organizer to using it as a hydration station or comfort booster, you're about to see that this overlooked pouch deserves a promotion. So buckle up, stow those carry-ons, and keep your tray tables up, because we're counting down 7 brilliant airplane seat pocket hacks that'll change the way you fly forever. 7. The clean zone trick. Let's start with the elephant in the cabin, or rather, the bacteria lurking right under your nose. According to a travel math hygiene study, the airplane seat back pocket ranks among the dirtiest surfaces on a plane, with over 2,000 colony-forming units of bacteria per square inch. That's more than the average airplane toilet flush button. Why? Because those pockets almost never get disinfected between flights. Cabin crews have tight turnaround times, sometimes less than 30 minutes between passengers, which means cleaning crews are focused on removing trash, not scrubbing pockets. Translation: whatever sticky snack residue, crumpled tissue, or mystery goo the last passenger left behind, still there, patiently waiting for you and your phone. So, before you casually drop your snacks, earbuds, or passport into that microbial playground, take 10 seconds to create a barrier. Grab that air sickness bag you've ignored for years. Yes, it finally has a purpose. Open it, tuck the flap over the edge of the pocket, and voila, instant germ shield. Now you've created a clean little zone for your stuff without touching whatever's living down there. It's simple, cheap, and surprisingly effective. Plus, it doubles as a pocket organizer, perfect for keeping napkins, wipes, or your phone easily accessible and off questionable surfaces. You'll feel like a first-class germ commander while everyone else unknowingly plays bacterial roulette. And if you want to level up, stash a small sanitizing wipe in there after takeoff for a quick refresh mid-flight. Because while airlines are getting cleaner post-pandemic, the seat pocket remains a microbial mystery. But if that pocket can get that dirty, what else can it do besides hold germs? Stick around. Number 6 turns it into your in-flight organizer and sanity saver. 6. The pocket organizer setup. Think of your seat pocket as your very own mini drawer in the sky. With just a touch of organization, you can turn mid-air chaos into calm, especially on long flights where the smallest convenience makes a big difference. All you need is a small zip pouch, a hanging organizer, or even a resealable bag to slide neatly into the pocket. Use it to separate your must-haves: earbuds, lip balm, tissues, snacks, pens, your boarding stub. Basically, everything you don't want to go diving into your underseat bag for mid-flight. This hack shines brightest on budget airlines like Frontier, Spirit, or Ryanair, where personal space is about as rare as free snacks. Instead of fumbling elbow to elbow for your phone charger or chapstick, you've got a tidy little command center right in front of you, compact, efficient, and chaos-free. According to TSA travel recommendations, keeping small electronics and valuables visible and organized helps reduce the risk of losing them, especially when deplaning. A quick glance before landing means you'll spot if anything's missing. No more leaving earbuds or passports behind. And if you're stuck in the dreaded middle seat, this hack is a social lifesaver. Keeping your essentials compactly stored means fewer oops, sorry moments as you dig through your bag like you're mining for gold. You've mastered your in-flight organization, but how do you stay hydrated without turning your tray into a splash zone? That's coming up next in hack number 5. 5. The hidden cup holder hack. Okay, this one feels like wizardry the first time you try it. Ever notice that the seat pocket's top elastic edge can hold a small water bottle snugly? Slide the bottle in sideways near the top, and boom, you've just created your very own in-flight cup holder. No tools, no gadgets, no spills. It's one of those hacks that make you wonder, why didn't I think of this sooner? This trick keeps your drink upright and off the tray table, giving you more space for your laptop, snacks, or that tiny in-flight meal that somehow manages to occupy every inch of available room. Plus, when turbulence hits, you won't be chasing your water bottle as it rolls down the aisle like a runaway bowling ball. According to Delta's in-flight service notes, beverage spills are one of the most common passenger mishaps mid-flight, not because of rough air, but because of overfilled cups and stray elbows. Keeping your bottle anchored in the seat pocket helps prevent those mid-air messes. And sticky jeans. If your pocket's a little stretched out or saggy, looking at you, row 32, just slide your bottle into an empty air sickness bag first. It adds grip and keeps it snug. It's simple, effective, and flight attendant approved. A small move that makes a big difference. Hydration, check. But comfort? That's another story. Up next, find out how that same seat pocket can double as a built-in neck and lumbar support. That's hack number 4. 4. The DIY Comfort Rig. Economy class doesn't exactly scream ergonomic, right? But with a little creativity and that often overlooked seat pocket, you can turn discomfort into surprisingly decent posture support. Here's how. Take your small jacket, folded sweater, or scarf and tuck it horizontally into the pocket, leaving the top edge sticking out about halfway. When you lean back, it acts as a makeshift lumbar pillow, supporting your lower spine and relieving that awful mid-flight back pressure. It's like giving your seat a personality upgrade, from budget bus bench to temporary therapist. Pilots and frequent flyers swear by this simple fix. In fact, some cabin crew use similar tricks during their own long-haul positioning flights when they're off-duty and sitting in the same cramped seats we are. The American Chiropractic Association even notes that maintaining proper lumbar support during flights over 4 hours significantly reduces fatigue and muscle strain. Got a stiff neck instead? Loop your hoodie's drawstrings through the top clip of the seat pocket and rest your chin in the hood. Congratulations! You've just invented a $0 neck pillow. It looks a bit funny, somewhere between Napping Turtle and Airborne Ninja, but your spine will thank you later. Who knew comfort could come from the same spot that usually stores old safety cards? You've conquered comfort, but what if that same seat pocket could save you time and money? Spoiler, it can. Let's talk number 3. 3. The boarding pass wallet hack. If you're still juggling paper boarding passes like it's 1998, this one's for you. Your seat pocket can easily double as a secure, quick-access wallet during your flight. And it's a total game changer for staying organized. Just slip your boarding pass, luggage tag stub, and customs form right inside the safety card sleeve. Yes, that little clear flap that most people ignore. It's the perfect spot to keep important papers visible, flat, and impossible to lose between the seats. Why bother? Because those little slips of paper have a bad habit of vanishing at the worst times. According to IATA, over 25 million bags were mishandled worldwide last year, and one of the biggest culprits was missing or damaged luggage tags. If your bag ever goes missing, having your claim stub handy can make the difference between a quick reunion and a stressful 2-day scavenger hunt in baggage services. Bonus tip: tuck your immigration or customs card in there during international flights so you can fill it out mid-air instead of scrambling in line at arrival. Need your hotel address, connecting gate, or rideshare code handy? Slip those in too. After a red-eye flight, you'll thank yourself for not having to dig through a bottomless carry-on while half asleep. And for digital-age travelers, yes, this hack still works. Keep your phone boarding pass safe by sliding your device into that same sleeve during takeoff and landing when it can't stay in your lap. It's secure, visible, and hands-free. Smart, right? But what if that pocket could actually save you from jet lag? Or at least make you feel more refreshed when you land? Stay buckled in. That's exactly what's coming up next in hack number 2. 2. The Seat Pocket Spa Kit. No, we're not turning your seat pocket into a 5-star spa. But this hack gets surprisingly close. Think of it as your personal self-care station at 35,000 feet. Compact, efficient, and totally TSA approved. Before your flight, pack a small resealable bag with your in-flight essentials: hand sanitizer, facial wipes, lip balm, mini moisturizer, and maybe even a hydrating mist if you're feeling fancy. Just remember to keep everything within the TSA's 3.4-ounce liquid limit so you can breeze through security without drama. Once you're seated, slip that kit right into your seat pocket for easy access. No more awkward yoga poses to reach your bag under the seat in front of you. Here's why this hack matters. Cabin air is brutally dry. Humidity levels hover between 10% and 20%, which is lower than the Sahara Desert. That's why your skin feels tight, your lips crack, and your eyes burn halfway through the flight. Dermatologists and airline medical teams alike recommend moisturizing mid-flight to protect your skin barrier and prevent dehydration. Want to level it up? Toss in peppermint oil wipes or a cooling eye patch, the kind sold at any drugstore. A quick refresh can make you feel like you've just stepped out of a lounge spa, not a pressurized tube full of recycled air. So, while your aisle mate is doing deep stretches next to the lavatory, you'll be reclined in your seat, glowing quietly like the calm, hydrated travel pro you are. Feeling these hacks so far? Go ahead and tap that like button, turbulence-free, to help other travelers discover the channel. Now, if hydration and comfort are covered, there's one last thing every flyer worries about: forgetting something important. And that's where hack number 1 comes in. 1. The no left behind reset trick. You know that chaotic moment right after landing. The seatbelt sign dings off and suddenly half the cabin transforms into Olympic sprinters? People spring up, stretch, grab their bags, elbow their way into the aisle, and start doing the overhead bin shuffle like it's a Black Friday doorbuster deal. In the frenzy, patience disappears, and so do personal belongings. It's not just a few lost sunglasses either. According to TSA reports and airline lost and found data, tens of thousands of items vanish from aircraft every year. We're talking passports, phones, laptops, medication, jewelry, wallets, fancy noise-canceling headphones worth more than the plane ticket, and yes, grandma's cherished reading glasses that must be in that seat somewhere. And where do most of these missing items end up hiding? Right inside the seat back pocket, the Bermuda Triangle of air travel. Why there? Because throughout the flight, it becomes our personal junk drawer. We shove everything into it: boarding passes, receipts, snacks, wrappers, napkins, devices, kids' toys, that mystery magazine someone before you was reading, then completely forget what's actually inside. But here's the good news. Preventing that pocket from swallowing your valuables only takes 60 seconds. Right before descent, ideally when the flight attendants announce seat backs and tray tables up, do what I call the seat pocket reset. It's the quickest pre-landing ritual ever. 1. Reach into the bottom of the pocket. 2. Pull everything out, even that receipt from the airport burger place. 3. Place it all on your tray table in one neat pile. 4. Do a quick mental roll call: phone, passport, earbuds. 5. Pocket or pack the important items. 6. Toss the trash, or hand it to a flight attendant when they pass through. Boom! Done! No forgotten electronics, no panic at the jet bridge, no desperate sprint back to your gate 10 minutes later yelling, "My entire life is in seat 24B." Flight attendants swear passengers who do this tiny routine are 90% less likely to leave anything behind. It's like a mid-air version of Marie Kondo. What sparks joy goes back in your bag. What doesn't can get tossed. Plus, there's a nice side bonus. You arrive with a cleaner space and a calmer brain. You're not rummaging in a blind pocket pit, while strangers breathe down your neck waiting to deplane. And if you want to go full pro traveler, add one more step. Take a quick photo of your seat area just before you stand up. Tray table, under the seat, pocket, everything in one snapshot. Then if you realize halfway to your connecting flight that your Kindle, medication, or, worst case, passport is missing, you'll know exactly where it was last seen. You can show the picture to airline staff and they'll know exactly where to check. So while everyone else is playing airport exit Hunger Games, you'll be stepping off the plane confidently because everything you brought on board is coming with you. Call it a 1-minute reset. Call it your sanity saver. Call it the smartest travel habit you'll ever learn. Either way, you'll never lose another thing to the seat pocket black hole again. You've just mastered the humble seat pocket like a pro. But here's the thing, once you realize how much hidden potential is tucked into that little pouch, you'll never look at flying the same way again. And there you have it, 7 brilliant seat pocket hacks that transform that forgotten fabric pouch into your very own in-flight secret weapon. Clean, organized, efficient, and best of all, stress-free. Who knew that tiny little pocket in front of you could hold the key to a smoother, smarter flight experience? Next time you board, don't just shove your phone, napkins, and pretzels in there like everyone else. Think smarter. With just a few clever tweaks, that pocket can protect your valuables, keep your essentials handy, and even make a cramped economy seat feel a touch more premium. It's like giving your seat an upgrade, without paying a single dollar extra. If you picked up a new trick or two today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss another round of real-world travel hacks. These small changes add up to big comfort, and trust me, your future self cruising at 35,000 feet will thank you. Because the truth is, flying doesn't have to feel chaotic or cramped. It just takes a little insider know-how and a pinch of creativity. Until next time, keep your pockets clean, your essentials close, and your flight smooth. Safe travels, everyone. And remember, sometimes the smallest space on the plane can make the biggest difference.